Hello guys, this is Bill again. This morning we were loading 4 containers. Our containers come from Shanghai port because customer required a very high delivery time. So we need to reach the earlier time. Now you can see there has 2 containers already hold outside of our factory. And 1 container has already started loading. Okay, follow my view and we will see. Now we can see the first container has already started loading. This order total 15 containers. This is the first shipment for containers. Because customer required a very high requirement for the delivery time. So we only take 15 days to reach the first 4 containers, and then we finished it. Very good job. And after 6 days, at the end of this month, we were loading the second shipment, total 6 containers. And then after 20 days, we were loading the last shipment, total 5 containers. Okay, we will ship the one by one. Customer very happy with our delivery time because we only take 1 month and finish the total 15 containers this time. Of course, this customer is our very old partner and friends. Now we are loading the second container. This is a 6-meter jag rating. You can see. Okay, the second container has already finished loading because there has a weight limit total 26 tons, so there has left some space. But we have no more choice because the jag rating is very heavy because of the 2 millimeter thickness.